Yay! Is that your New Year's gift to me, Martin? Thank you so much. Thank you for the New Year's gift and a Christmas gift. Christmas gift. Thank you. Oh, it's after an hour. It will be New Year's Eve here in the Philippines. Martin, after an hour, it will be New Year's Eve here in the Philippines. IDL. Hello, hello. Thanks, Martin. Thank you so much. Yeah. Cozy boy. Guys, help me, please. Guys, help me. 5K to quota. Guys, please. 5K to Taiwan. Happy New Year. Roof, Happy New Year. DL, Happy New Year. OC Boy J, Happy New Year. Guys, be ready with your New Year's gift to me. Thank you so much. Any amount will do, guys. Any amount will do. I'm kind of scared.